This is part of a series where we explore places not just by location, but by feeling, rhythm, and reflective pause. Welcome to the 5-minute series. Unboxing Insta360 X5 camera. Insta360 X5 unboxing is an exciting event for me. I have taken videos with drones, GoPros, and my iPhone. This camera takes 360 degrees. The regular X5 comes with one battery in the box. This was bought at Costco website, and the deal was the camera, invisible selfie stick, lens cover, 2 batteries, and 256 gig micro SD card, cleaning cloth and sticky cleaning stickers, charging USB-C cable, and an Insta360 sticker. There were many product manuals too. It's a well-packed box, nothing is snug in there. Each individual item came its own box. The camera, battery, lens cover, selfie stick, and the micro SD card. The main items and the boxes in order. Again, the selfie stick, the SD card, the camera, lens protector, and the battery. They all have their own instructions in the box. The battery comes in a little case, which I thought was good to carry it safe. In the case, there are 2 slots for holding 2 micro SD cards.
And then we have the battery. Okay. Open the battery first. Oh, it's got a...
This is the selfie stick. It's very long surprisingly, and it just pulls out, and it's a nice and strong self stick. Now when you're recording, the self stick becomes invisible. You see your hand holding something, but you don't see the selfie stick. Finally, it's the camera. Inside the box, there is the camera and a little box, and that had a little pouch to carry the camera, and inside the pouch there was the charging cable and some stickers, and the instruction manual.
Okay, selfie stick. Now the final.
First impressions, the packaging was impressively secure. Everything felt tightly and thoughtfully arranged. The camera itself arrived well protected and has some weight to it. You really feel it in your hands, which adds a sense of sturdiness and substance. The lens was carefully shielded from scratches, and the charging cable came tucked inside the camera bag, along with a cleaning cloth, along with a few stickers for some added flair. I'm excited to start exploring what this camera can truly do. I've seen some creative, dynamic videos from other users, and while it feels familiar at first glance, the way you hold it and experiment with angles seems to shape the entire experience. It's going to take some time to get used to, but I'm looking forward to discovering how it helps tell the kinds of stories I want to share. You have seen all the packaging that's involved. The lens protector only protects the lens. The rest of the camera is exposed. The selfie stick just screws just like any regular camera on a mount. Finally, here is the camera. Like I said earlier, the camera is heavy. Can't wait to take videos.